Hello everyone. I thought I would do something a little different today and share with you some of my illustrations which are railway related, done in watercolors and gouache and edited a bit on Photoshop. Well, here it goes. This is pannier tank on the South Devon Railway in Buckfastleigh. The Swanage Railway with a 4MT tank. My favourite, Lyddon Manor, going up the bank at Goodrington Sands. My grandmother at the Watercress line at Midstead and Four Marks, admiring the flowers. The Black 5 at Rockley, with all the flowers in bloom, which is rather nice. A Christmas card scene at Kidderminster with a small prairie tank. Miss Marple on her adventures in a first-class Great Western compartment. The Torbay Express at Dawlish, and a scene from an illustration of a story of mine, Daisy the Runaway Cow and the Cattle Train. Well, thank you very much and see you all soon.